So hello friends, today we are going to learn when you buy the PathoGold Cloud account, when you buy the subscription for PathoGold Cloud, what the steps you have to follow and to start using this software. So you have to go to the pathogoldcloud.com, this website. Okay, you have to type www.pathogoldcloud.com. Once you press enter, you do it in the mostly Chrome browser is the best, but it works on any browser, but you can use it a Chrome browser. Okay, you go here, then you will get the login credentials. Enter your login credentials over here. Once you enter it, go to the login and it will open to you. Now you have to see a screen like this. If you don't see this on the left side, probably your screen resolution must be set. You have to set your screen resolution properly. So how to set the screen resolution, that also I will teach you. You have to go to your desktop. You have to go to your desktop and press the right click on this white space. Once you press the right click, you will say display setting. In the display setting, you have a screen resolution set. You can do the screen resolution over here. Okay, so all these things are you have to do. Okay, so then you see the complete screen. Once you see the complete screen, you can do the further work. So once you resume in the software, you can see on the left side, all the menus will come to you. Okay. Now you should go to the control panel menu. In the control panel menu, there's a control panel and help center is there. So in the control panel, if you go here, you will see most of the functions are already there. Once you go to the control panel, you will see most of the functions are already present. Most of the useful informations are present over here. Okay. Now, the first thing you should do is enter the rates for the test. So how are you going to enter the rates? You say test rate entry. You go here. Okay. Here is your collection center. So your main laboratory is also called as collection center. One of the collection center. Okay. So you click on this collection center. So here in this panel, you enter variety of rates. You enter the rate for your collection center. You enter the rates for the source. You enter the rate for the outsource. So right now you enter the rate for the collection center. Once you select this, you drop down. Your rate list will come here. So your rate list, you select the rate list. Okay. Once you select the rate list, you select the department. Okay. So let's say biochemistry department. So like that, you keep on say display rate. Okay, and here you will enter all the rates of the test. Okay, which of the tests are there, you will enter the rates for the test. Okay, once you enter the rate for the test, finally you say save. Once you save it, you go for another department and you enter the rate for the other department. Like that, you will keep on doing the rate entry. Once you are done, then you are ready to enter the the rate entry is done. Now you are ready to take the registration. So registration is done from here, test registration. Okay, you go here, you have got your name. See, this name is already here. Okay, so don't change anything over here. You directly go to the initial. So you enter the initial, Mr. whatever the initial is there. Okay, so now one more thing. Now here the referring doctor is there. Now how are you going to enter the referring doctor? First, also after entering the rate, you have to define some referring doctors. So how are you going to define referring doctor? You go to the control panel again and you see the add referring doctor. Okay, how you define the referring doctor? You have to give the code. So how you give the code? You select your first three character of your test. Okay, your laboratory. So like say BMS, and then you can type like this 0001. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the code, and then select the name of the doctor, Dr. Rajesh Tripathi. Okay, no need of entering address right now. Okay, you go here, and then You can give the login name later on. Everything you can give later on, but right now these are the three things are important. Okay, then we will see how can you change the complement rate, that we'll see in the complement section. But here you define one doctor and say immediately save it. So it will say you have successfully registered a doctor. So like this doctor is required. So now let's register the patient. Okay, select Mr. Avanish Jain. Okay, what is the age of the patient? You enter the age. So enter the age. Automatically some date of birth will come calculated. Here is your code, Indian mobile number. If you have a mobile number, you can enter it. Okay, then email, and then you are here. So here you write the doctor name. Okay, so if I type like this, also it will come. Okay, what is the name of the doctor? Okay, see, Rajesh Tripathi. Okay, we can type like this and just select it. Okay, once you select it, here you go for the test name. Okay, so all the test names are operated by the name as well as it is operated by the test code also. So let's say you want to have a lipid profile. See, like this, you can say. Now this is the code. Once you remember the code, you just type the code and it will come. So lipid profile, SLLPR is the code. You select it and immediately what is the rate you have entered, it will come here. Okay. And finally, if you have a predefined YL ID or barcode number, you can scan over here. You can do this. Okay. Now here are two buttons, submit and bill. If you want to submit and just go ahead. Okay. If you want to just do the billing, submit and bill. So you press the submit and bill button. Once you press the submit and bill button, here is the all type of charge, discount to be given, all this thing. Okay, so now net amount is 1000, cash, check, credit card, UPI. Okay, amount paid. So you take the amount and press the save bill. Okay, save and print without rate, save and print with header, save and print with header. You can directly print with header. Look at this. Immediately the bill copy will come with the header and footer. See, this is the header and footer, it will come and your bill can be printed. Now your bill is ready, you can print it and you can give to the customer. Now enter the result. For the result entry, you go to the patient test result, enter the result entry. Click on this. Okay, here is the patient has come up. Right now patient is registered. So now click on this. And this number, registration number, is given by the system automatically. Okay, automatically the system will give the number and everything. The name of the doctor will come, whatever your doctor signature, it should be available here. Now here you will type the result. Okay, now I type the result, 135, the HDL cholesterol. This is the reference range, which can be also changed by you if you want to change it. We have entered all the range, but yeah, you can change the range if you want. Now let's enter here. Let's say 40, and here again 145. Okay, three values, and the remaining values needs to be calculated. So you press the button called as calculate. It's here as well as here, anywhere you can press it. It will calculate the remaining balance. Okay, automatically. Once you do this, to go ahead, you have to have a authorize button. Unless until you authorize it, you cannot. Okay, so you have to authorize and then use a submit and print. So press this authorize button and just submit and print. Okay, now you are here at the printing page. Now there are various options are available: print report, merge report. So as soon as you put a cursor, you will get all reports will be merged in a continuation, can be printed on your letter. So one after another, all report will come. So it's like this. If you want to print with the letterhead, it's available over here. Okay, so now when you click this button, any of the button, if the report is not coming there, probably your pop-up is blocked. Pop-up blocker is there. So as soon as you press the button here, you immediately go to the screen here and you will see some red mark coming here, pop-up blocker, in which there is a always button is there, always option. You select that option and press it complete it. So that pop-up blocker should not be there. Otherwise, your report will not come out. Okay, so pop-up blocker has to be avoided. So when you print button, immediately see here on this corner, a pop-up blocker will come. Remove the pop-up blocker, then your report will come. See, click on this and your report is ready. Okay, see, this is the line has been left from how much to the top. Okay, and this complete report has come with the electronic signature, QR code, everything is come. Now how to control these lines? You can print this report directly from here. Now you want to control these lines. How many lines? So first you print a report, and if you want to do this adjustment, what you have to do? You have a button over here called as report setting. Okay, click on this report setting button. Okay, as soon as you go to the report setting button, all these things are here. See how many lines you want to from the top. So you select, if you want to lay more line, you select like 11, 12, what are the lines you want. Okay, if you want to increase it, if you want to decrease it, you can be doing from here. This is for the report and this is for the bill. Okay, and this is for the footer. So if you have a footer, for example, like this footer is there, then this will not be useful. But if you don't have a footer, you can control these lines. Okay, so these lines are for this. Once you are done, you say save, and you can immediately see, and you can go there. Okay, and you can check it. Now again, if you want to go back, you have to see, this is like this. It's always on the left side. You click it and you will directly go there. Now see, it has turned into the green color. That means it is a printed. Earlier we have printed. So instead of going inside, you can directly also go to the print option from here. Print. And can directly go for the printing. Okay. So this is the best way to start using this software. Now there are various sections are there which I will tell you very quickly where you have to go. Okay. So for this, now if you want to do anything, many functions are already available in control panel only. Okay, change normal values, test rate entry, interpretation entry, everything is in control panel. If you have to change the name of the doctor, it's a digital sign. Okay, it's available here. Now we have given us so many videos. So videos are available to the help center. It's here. There are more than 100 videos are attached. On every topic there is a video is there. Now let's say you want to find out how to change normal value. So you just type normal. Okay, just type normal word and say search. You'll see some videos on the normal value. See, all the videos on the normal values are here. Okay, if you want to do how to signature, how to do the signature, just type signature, search. See, setting of team leader, lab taker, team leader, lab changes, all this. So you have to see these videos and you will get it. How to do the interpretation entry. Just type interpretation. That's it. Search. See, interpretation entry. How to do the histopathology. Histopath. Search. See, histopathology. So like that, there are so many videos. This is very easy to understand software. You can learn many things from these videos. Okay. So I'm sure you can start using this software. There are a lot of things are there which you will learn eventually. But this is the starting point how you should start using it. Thank you very much.